Okay, why don't we get going here? And let's specify, estimate, and interpret some latent growth models in a multi-level modeling framework. So maybe you haven't heard the term latent growth model before, but you may have heard of or rather you may have heard or used other names for what is essentially kind of a similar set of approaches to treating, to modeling longitudinal data. So these models go by names like latent growth model, latent change model, latent curve model, latent trajectory model. A lot of the history here is from biostatistics, not all of it, but a fair amount of it. And the idea here is that we're going to model systematic change over time. We're going to model trajectories for each unit in our